This cashew chicken takes about 15 minutes to cook. It's super easy and delicious, perfect for a busy day. After watching this video, you will never want to order it from takeout anymore. Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. I'm Mandy and I'll be showing you how to make this simple takeout cashew chicken. I have got here 2 small pieces of chicken breast, roughly about 1 pound. Slice them into strips first, then cut into bite-sized pieces. You can also use chicken thigh if you want. Marinate it with a 1/3 teaspoon of salt and a 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda will help to break down the meat fibers and tenderize the chicken. Continue by adding 2½ teaspoons of cornstarch, 1½ tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, and some white pepper to taste. Gently rub for a few minutes or until the chicken feels velvety. The cornstarch will create a starchy layer which will preserve the moisture of the meat while cooking, so your chicken will come out nice and juicy. Set it aside and we will quickly make a sauce. 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of water. I find this dish always needs a few splashes of water while stir frying. That's why I just add it directly into the sauce. Mix thoroughly and set it aside. Besides that, I also prepared half of a bell pepper, 2 stalks of celery. I cut them into bite size. This is 2 tablespoons of diced white part of the scallion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of ginger. I sliced them thinly. Okay, we have everything ready. Let's cook. Turn the heat to high and heat the wok until it is smoking hot. Add some oil and toss it around to create a non-stick layer. Add the chicken. Give it 8 to 10 seconds for the starch to set before you start stirring. If you stir too soon, the starchy coating will come off and stick to the wok badly. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for the chicken to change color. It is not completely cooked through yet. Inside is still a bit raw, which is perfect because we will cook it furthermore. If the chicken is fully cooked at this moment, it will be overcooked when we mix it with the sauce. Turn off the heat and take the chicken out. Make sure you tilt the wok to leave the oil behind. Turn the heat back on medium. Toss in the garlic, ginger, scallion, and the celery. Stir this over medium heat for a couple of minutes. Pour in the sauce along with the chicken. Keep mixing until the chicken is cooked through. This will take another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the bell pepper and the roasted cashews. I like to keep my bell pepper fresh and crunchy. If you want to cook it until soft, you can add it to the wok earlier. Give it a final toss. That's it. You are done. I can't wait to give this a try. The chicken is nice and juicy on the inside. The thin starchy layer on the outside helps to catch lots of flavors from the sauce. So delicious. I need some white rice to go with it. The cashew did a great job at elevating the taste and texture. Seriously, you saw how easy it was to make. I hope you give this a try soon. By the way, this video is sponsored by Souped Up Recipes Wok. This is the wok that I'm selling and I am proud to recommend it to you as I have been using it on my channel for years. If you like Chinese food and you want to cook it at home better than takeout, you definitely need a wok as it is the most basic cookware in Chinese cuisine. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Also, we relaunched this wok in UK because last year we weren't able to ship to UK anymore after Brexit. Now you can buy it again. It's free shipping and custom fees included. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!